do. I met that girl in the baby show. Met the girl and girl on the floor. Met the girl on the floor. Then he's on the floor. Listen, this not my city show, but I'm a dream on city show. Man, until I'm on. Do do do. Uzi vertical. Share my will. Don't you? What did Mary say? You ain't been listening? This how you feel, Peanut? You ain't been listening? You just see my you a piece of work. A piece of work, you know that? Real piece of work. At least you're doing something constructive. You dig? I'm proud of you. Keep it going. Like, platypuses don't make sense. Like, as an organism, like, they shouldn't exist. And they're actually scary. So, how long does editing take? Like,
can you go close the curtain for me?
Like, this instant?
Mm-hmm.
Like, but, like, my question wasn't answered. I feel. Oh, we're pausing things. Oh. If you take a seal and put it in, like, regular circumstances, like, what is its purpose, you know? I get that. It just got fins and a tail. They're gonna see this, right? They're gonna watch this.
What?
What do you mean? What? I've been asking questions for the past 5 minutes.